grow, still can't stop it.
What is up? I am Crypto Mason, and welcome back to the Crypto Mason YouTube channel. Shout out to the Gold Squad. We look for gold in every single aspect of our lives, and we always find it. Now, today, we had the amazing Bitcoin monthly and weekly close on the same day. That was very important. We were live on TikTok watching it happen, and we closed, man. We closed the week out above 61,000. Above 61,000. So I had put these little levels here for 60,000, 59, or 58.8, and then 63,000. And we were watching it live. We closed the month out 61,000, which is very good, okay? So if we look at what Plan B is saying, his reaction to this, basically he predicted August to close at 47,000. He predicted September to close at 43,000. And now October, 61,000. He says 3% rounding error. It's close enough for me. So I give Plan B credit for predicting that. That is very hard to predict 3 monthly closes in a row like this. The next target is 98,000 in November and 135,000 in December. Now, keep in mind how big this guy is. Like 1.3 million followers. He made the stock to flow model. That's not the stock to flow, but he made the stock to flow. Big reputation on the line here, okay? So he's putting a lot of his betting on 90K. So that is just insane, okay? So the total market right here, man, we've got a nice little metaverse pump still going on, right? If we look at crypto bubbles, we got Sand is now up 33% right here. I believe Mana has kind of pulled back. If we go look at Mana, we see $3. Okay, that is still big, right? It is holding. Like, look at this. You could have bought just a couple days ago at 77 cents, and this thing is at $3. Okay. Absolutely crazy. Now, total market cap 2.6 trillion. We're getting so close to this 3 trillion. Dude, it is going to be game start, not game over. It's going to be game start when that happens. Now, so Bitcoin, great monthly and weekly close, okay? We need to stabilize above this 60K. If we go into the 22-minute chart, actually, let's go to like 3 hours here. We see it's just been like bouncy on this from 58 to like 63. So I'm waiting, dude. November, I think it's going to be a great month, as I've said. We also have XRP on the monthly looking a little oversold here. Weekly, like, I mean, this is expected of XRP, okay? It usually pumps the hardest and it pumps last. You know, like XRP went last in 2017. They saved the best for last. So I'm still confident that we're going to have a massive XRP pump coming in pretty soon. Hopefully up into the $2. But man, like this thing is like getting... I see people losing faith. I see people losing faith in XRP. That's not FUD. That's just what's happening, okay? FUD is not... Like, reality is not FUD. When I say that I see people losing faith in this, I do. That's just truth. Like, I'm about the truth. I'm not about calling things FUD. If it's truth, it's coming out of my mouth. So we also have this technical analysis on TradingView from JD right here. Basically, he's pointing out that on the monthly, we do look oversold with the RSI, right? He says during bull markets, the stochastic RSI, we go 3 to 74x when that thing crosses bullish and over the 20 level. So all of the technical analysis I've seen from XRP is saying that we are destined for something to happen. Also with QNT, absolutely destined. Now, I want to show you what's been happening with MetaHero. Now, this is a new coin that I just got into a couple days ago. This is one of the coins that did not pump with the rest of the Metaverse coins. As we can see on the 7-day, all of these Metaverse coins, no matter what they are basically hundreds of percents up, right? So what's happening here is this is a CoinGecko page on CoinGecko's website. Brian Ross on TikTok made a video that got 1 million views telling people to look at this page to find the Metaverse coins. Do we see MetaHero on this page? No, it's nowhere to be found. This is why there were a couple Metaverse coins that didn't pump with the hype. So I got into MetaHero, right? And this thing has went up, right? This thing was at 9 cents right here, coming down actually for a couple days, or actually not a couple days. Let me go to the 4 hour. And by the way, it just got listed on KuCoin with the charts on KuCoin. So look at this. We're currently where people are taking profit. There's a strong profit taking being happened right now. 11 cents, right? I want to show you a video, a very crazy video that actually the CEO has just seen. I woke up and he was mentioning me, and he was answering a comment. He was answering a comment on this, right? Take a look at this. By the way, this is not sponsored at all. I think MetaHero is a great project. This guy actually was part of the World Economic Forum as well. So take a look at this.
Mission that I feel. So I did mention at the start that this is a portal into the digital world. Yes. How does it work? And what is this digital world that we're talking about?
So when you stand in the middle, it takes 1/100th of a second to take a photo from all angles, and then we compile a gigantic file, Ultra HD resolution, of yourself, an avatar, if you will. That is just like one example. You can essentially scan anything. Right. Our overarching goal is to build the largest database of scanned objects and people in the world for the metaverse, for this fourth industrial revolution. And with your avatar, for example, you could upload yourself to GTA 6, play as your own self running around the city, doing whatever you like. Furthermore, you could license your avatar and allow game developers to use you as a character in games and make a profit on your scan that you initially paid for.
That is absolutely insane, okay? Basically, these are physical portals into the digital metaverse. So I highly recommend you guys research this coin. It's been blowing up recently as well. On Twitter, this has 1,300 likes. You know, this was going crazy. Yeah, MetaHero, very nice right there. I also was involved in my first coin rug pull. I was rug pulled on Squid Game token. As we can see, the chart has went to 0. I was rug pulled. My first burn. Also, update on the Gold Squad Telegram for anybody who's still watching here. You're a real one if you're still watching. I have disabled the comments inside of the Gold Squad Telegram. This is because it was spamming my phone. Like, this group has been growing. I hope you guys join up. The only real link is this one. Is in the description. Yeah, that has been spamming my phone. Like, I'm trying to monitor if people are sending like scams in there or sending links and weird stuff. So I've turned that off for now. Maybe one day I'll turn it back on if we have some kind of like feature that like helps with that, or I get some admins or something. But right now, just consume the information in there. We just put a bunch like Metaverse or MetaHero. A lot of people are up like 30% on their MetaHero already just because of that call. And it being one of the tokens that hasn't pumped. I'm also posting another TikTok about MetaHero today. So we have Shiba Inu rumors. Okay, Tesla's website, in the code, it shows that they could be trying to accept Shiba Inu here for payments, okay, in their payment processing code. Complete rumor, right? This code can be scraped instantly. Code can be scraped instantly. Don't buy into this stuff. Like, buy the rumor, sell the news. Yeah. Okay, Bloomberg is locking me out of that article. So Robert Kiyosaki is basically saying, prepare, giant crash, and a new depression. Guess what? I agree. And he says, buy Bitcoin, right? He says, buy Bitcoin, gold, and silver. Guess what? I agree. Buy Bitcoin, dude. Buy Bitcoin. Like, if you're ignoring Bitcoin at this time as an XRP person, dude, it's here forever. It's most likely here forever. Too much money in it. 1.1 trillion. Too much money. Too much money. Too many big players in that, right? For it to just completely disappear. So it's going to be something. I'm just saying XRP and Ethereum and other things can be bigger somethings than Bitcoin. Why does Bitcoin have to be the biggest crypto? there are other ones that'll be bigger. Bitcoin will sit at 10 trillion. How about XRP sitting at 40 trillion? How about that? Binance has halted crypto withdrawals. Can't trust Binance ever, dude. Take your crypto off that exchange unless you're trading it, right? Binance is halting some stuff there. Stefan says that we have Ethereum. These are Ethereum nodes, right? Look at how concentrated, centralized in one area. And this is XRP nodes. So this XRP Ethereum comparison continues to go on. It's going to be interesting. I think they're going to be actually warring networks, basically. It seems like the SEC has kind of sided with Ethereum. But yeah, look at that. Now, I'm not liking what I'm seeing from the XYO Twitter. I'm just being transparent here. I don't like how they're talking about upside and volatility and price action, right? I don't like this. It's kind of making me, I don't know, it's kind of like bringing their little credibility down a little bit. Like, they are just quoting an article, but who's to say that they didn't pay this for this press, you know? So I'm wondering, like, stop talking about the price. XYO team, if you're listening, stop talking about the price. That is not a good look. To me, I run away when projects start talking about price. So just a word to the wise or something there. If we check out XYO, though, is at 3 cents, I believe. Oh, it's dipped below 3. Maybe that's why they pushed out the article. I don't know, man. I haven't taken any profit on this, but I can tell you on the next run, I'll be taking profit when that thing shoots back up. So, Mark Cuban is teaching people how to get into crypto. He's saying it's the best time. And I can confirm that if you are a beginner in crypto, check out the beginner playlist and get acquainted with what we're doing here, because utility is going to prosper by 2025. By 2025, there will be no meme coins outperforming utility. And if there is, then you know that we're still 5 years from the real purpose of crypto. Okay? What these meme coins are doing is they're driving the space into regulatory reckoning, is what I call it. The regulatory reckoning. The meme coins are driving the space there. It's going to get so absurd. You're probably going to see coins like freaking Cumrocket and all this crazy stuff shoot to the top. We've already seen it, right? We're seeing it right now. Shiba Inu billboards, right, promoting this potential unregistered security, where there's like, it's just simple stuff to see, right? So we're going to get pushed in that direction. And just, dude, you're one bear market away from actually becoming very wealthy. You're one bear market away from becoming very wealthy. If you can stack crypto during the bear market, I think in 2022 we're going to head into some transition into some kind of bear market. Now, on the inside, if you came to me in real life and we like saw each other in real life, I would be telling you that I don't even think there's going to be a bear market. But I have to be responsible on the camera and tell you that, oh yeah, market cycles, yeah. This is bigger than market cycles right now. Trust me. This is bigger than market cycles, dude. They're taking action on implementing Ready Player One. That's what's going on, dude. They're taking action. Like, you're locked in your house. Like, you can't go out your house. You cannot stand 6 feet within another human. Like, this is being told to everybody that you can't do that. Right? Your classes are online for your school. Everybody's like quitting their job because they don't want to do certain actions, medical actions, you know? Dude, it's coming down to the wire. The gate is closing for the old world and the gate is opening for the new world. The new world involves crypto. Facebook told you this right in your dang face, dude. Facebook told you this right in your face. A $1 trillion company like Facebook making a big leap to change their name to Meta and focus on Metaverse, it tells you we won already. We have won already. Just sit tight and really focus in on what you're doing here. Learn everything. I'm going for a jack of all trades, master of all trades in crypto, right? Not a jack of all trades, master of none. Master of all. DeFi, NFTs, trading, fundamental analysis, long-term investing, news, how to read through the news, all of that. Okay? There we go. Make sure you follow on Twitter, Instagram, join the Telegram channel, and goodbye.
Crawl, steal.